Look out! It's Toad!
This holiday, you are invited to a very special place where you'll see some very unusual faces.
Hooray!
Like Mr. Toad, Mole, Ratty, and Badger. And where the only thing that disturbs the peace
Tea time!
is the sound of the wind in the willows.
Beautiful day.
Then up pop the wicked weasels,
Rasting's life's one big picnic.
Wait till we take over the riverbank.
whose dastardly deeds
He wanted to spend every last penny he's got, I know. So he has to give us Toad Hall. I know. What?
and terrible tricks have put Toad in a hole.
I understand you'll need finance for another motor car. Oh, yes.
There is crash yet another cup.
The full penalty of the law is hardly sufficient for the heinous evil crime perpetrated by the sniveling wretch.
Has the prisoner anything to say?
Nincompoop! You're all nincompoops!
Join Toad and his friends
What on earth are you doing there? Rescuing you.
on a right rollicking roller coaster of a ride.
Toad Hall will be history!
It's wonderful what they can do now, isn't it?
Get ready to go wild in the country.
Oh!
Join Terry Jones, Eric Idle, Steve Coogan, Nicole Williamson, and guest stars John Cleese, Julia Sawala, Victoria Wood, Stephen Fry, Michael Palin, and Anthony Sher in The Wind in the Willows.
Can't stop. Cheerio.